Peter John Amewu one fana kunya na wondi so but the constituency NDC constituency chairman Edin Sasha Krata ase Krata no ebida manim hanoma na peya mene no ebetwetwemu enkomo ora George Bright ani Bansa chairman Hoho constituency NDC mene no entwetwe enkomo chairman atime kan me wa fishapa
I think Sangobedi
ahode won hode
Adom papa.
Okay. Mamindi can be sa party no constituency position on court ruling. Emma the Honorable John Peter Mewukwan say one na konya as the MP elect for Hohoi constituency. My position is saying, Chairman.
Me any NDC position in Hohoi. Ya hono say court amano kwan say onko di na konya. The court no kai menti asie ne say injunction na ye the tool so no I expired that on the 2nd of this month and ye ba court no yantimi anko renew answer because na court assembly was Supreme Court and this year no betimi akwa register obenya ne inauguration. But say yenina yes high court no hu and the court asem edaso court ye kwa akodi no court wo hu and yenye say yama no kwan so gudi na konya adia MPP government ni some of the people in Ghana omo ye no yakupo na wosuru oho because the same asem aba ewo Techiman Saf na yanye collation sesi ano yesi obi winner or no call parliament but a hono ye cause the injunction ko to so no a court na penisi emfa injunction into so and assembly and fee court and ye be san court and you no his inauguration is not a problem but you be court akoyi assembly wo hu.
Are you saying say after the inauguration something can change court?
Yes. Oh yes, that is what you court na ana kind court no judgment no year. They intentionally dodge all the pleadings now ye by na yen so ye argue against no. And say almost the whole issue should go back to the whole court for the whole court to give his judgment in it because as a human rights case. Say their rights have been trampled upon and to yenya court no back and to twamawu ag any issue our court wo hu nyame bua na yenya ye hia wo hu a de wo mu no ye be hu de be wo.
Okay, but court no so chere say reliefs are more the quadra in court no it can only be granted through an election petition and not a human rights issue.
No a lot of people are just misquoting the judges to my understanding.
Oh, really?
Many lawyer. But almost say the relief that is sought here by the grant of the injunction. By the grant of the injunction, shouldn't be so. And even at the time now, judgment, the injunction had expired for the 10 days. That is my understanding anyway.
I see.
So for now, the whole issue is going back to court. Say almost say he released now a was not election petitioner. Now come back and say nyoma kwasha asem no. But why then did they say the whole issue should go back to the whole high court? Say the reliefs are not reliefs that are supposed to be sorted out. And then almost see the whole issue should go back to the court in whole. And as I can see, and yes, yakwashi asemno is not something that is supposed to be adjudicated in the whole high court. And jomun kwashi asemno one kwashi bibia. The only thing they sorted to quash had already expired. And the injunction now yedi to amotion.
Okay, Chairman, yen free the MP elect no Nsem. So na fe yembra Santo Kofi Akpafu Lolobi and na fe Lipe Nsem no. Yaka say assembly atimi inauguration in the district. Chairman.
There is no district in the Sal Enclave.
There's no district.
There's no district there. This should be anyhow.
Okay.
Yeah, Kasa says here, you know, the Sal Enclave, the assemblymen in they are not with the Hohoe district, the Hohoe municipality, neither are they with the Jasgan district. Empty, they are there without a representation, even in assembly, let alone to talk of the parliament. As Mini Kasa says here, they don't belong to an assembly. They do not belong to an assembly. You are a journalist, and your station can go and check on what I'm saying. Mini Ukasa says here, as I am the chairman for NDC, my vice chairman is an assemblyman in Likpebakwa. My vice chairman is an assemblyman in Likpebakwa. He's the assemblyman for Likpebakwa. And I'm talking on authority. Say, all the assemblymen in the Sal Enclave don't belong to any assembly.
I see. It's you think pressure should be put on the government or the electoral commission for that matter, because Ochinaya is swearing in, and after swearing in, I don't know.
You see, unfortunately for us in Ghana, no, most of us are hypocrites and we don't say the truth.
Why do you say so? I didn't know, Kasa.
Most of us Ghana for I was Sal. They have been denied their rightful positions to vote and to be represented in both assembly and parliament. Obianka Nsem. Yada Sem Kokota. Na Obimujina, the other side of it, no more supporting the wrong thing. Ye maomo. And yafe. Wow, and yafe. The fact of the matter is everybody in Ghana should be represented in assembly and also represented in parliament. So says here, this group of people don't even belong to any assembly. As well as inaugurate assembly parliament, they don't have the representation in parliament. Then what are we doing as Ghana? The pressure to issue and our government so and sana yamamo representation. It's not fair. We are not being fair.
Well, so now as it stands, and after Enra court ruling, what next for the party in the constituency, Chairman?
It's not for the party in the constituency. It's for we Ghanaians. We must always follow the truth. Wow. You didn't credit. And you say, as some I say, as Ghanaians, they say, Gena as Ghanaians. And yes, say NDC, we will be the beneficiaries, say but as the core of the issue is say, how do they get representation in parliament? And in the so and not say ye bisa ye dinyechi na ye bisa say ye as Ghanaians no ye nuanu ma omo ni representation no adi die na ebetimi aye ma omo so manya representation e wo parliament sa asem no na say ye bisa ye nyina ye di ekiri enti for NDC in Hohoe say si Hohoe constituency Hohoe municipality no ye twen ye be court ye be kwa akobua ye nuanu ma omanya omo fa omo freedom, but we as Ghanaians, the entire Ghana, say bisa ye who say aden ena ye nuanom bi wo ho a omo ni representation e wo parliament as we talk.
Chairman, will you say, sir, as we speak, asumje e wo Hohoe constituency?
As we speak, asumje no wo su say Oba who say asumbi Hohoe, but say NDC per se yes bibi kakre bi say a ho na ye stronghold. Oba who say asumbi ni Hohoe. Just as 23rd at NDC 23rd I've forgotten many of the date no so kakre bi. I think it was 29th or so. 29th now, yeah, 29th for 30th.
I'm saying 30th December. Now, more demonstration.
Yeah, demonstration.
Yes.
Yeah, demonstration.
Yes.
Some hooligans came out, say, the youth of Hohoe. ena omu ye friends the warrior the warriors of Ohoy. Maybe sir, and I keep asking, who are those hooligans? Who are those people that came out and say, omu ye you for Ohoy?
Winnie Momo. Winnie Momo chama, Winnie Momo.
They are totally MPP people. Total MPP people. And I make a they are totally MPP people. Me na make kasa. I make kasa because I am also royal. I come from a royal family. So Obi, according to the police commander, divisional commander, no almost a kasombi. Maybe say in the Green tradition, why the customer who is the chief who is in charge of the tradition, the customs. Who is the chief in charge of customs in the whole Green traditional area? Who is the chief in charge of the customs? Unfortunately for them, I come from the royal family of that chief. And a better day na youths. That's why it's almost custom. And in the Green tradition, your custom be on the 30th of December. Maybe sir, Obin can tell me. Since I was born for over 50 years today, as I'm talking, I have never heard, seen, or witnessed any custom not being traditional area on the 30th day. We do the tradition on the 31st of December, in the night of 31st to 1st. That is when we do that, and that custom has stopped for a number of years now. So when a custom custom on the 30th of December, and who are those youths?
But police form police form in fact, this thing was played on all the media, a lot of social media platforms. The interview of a police commander, no, police permit, and now police notification 2 weeks ahead of time, 2 good weeks. Omo change day no from the Monday that we wanted to, which was 28th. Omudiba 30th, which was the Wednesday. Only for these people to come and say Omubeye Sadiano and Omuye Sadiano. And I'm pleading with the police that they should arrest the leaders of that group immediately. And I'm also appealing to the Green Traditional Council, the Green State, the chiefs there now, that they should call all those people who led them to do that disgraceful act against the Green State. Green State, they brought the Green State name into dispute. They should call them to order and then ask them why they did that. I am saying that, and I'm asking them to do that because they have disgraced the name of Green State. Mobile. Say Nipa Baku ever say the entire traditional area. Say the Green State has been given to MPP. Some people, even people are complaining about that. Chairman,
Papa,
did you just say that the Green State has been given to the MPP?
I am telling you, some particular leaders within it are supporters of Pitamaru, and he said, "Oh yeah, baby, now yes, he wants to go against Pitamaru. Now sorry." Then they use the name of Green State, of which they are pitching the Green State against the NDC. So NDC buses here, now NDC comes to rule Ghana today. How do they repair the broken relationship between them and the NDC as a government? That is my problem. That is what I'm fighting against. I am not saying, say, Obian supporting me party NDC. No.
Okay, Chairman, are you also saying, say, Nananoma Trankunya, the chiefs, the paramountcy, one must also support MPP for in a way, Chairman?
I am not saying the paramountcy. I am not saying the chiefs. I am saying some people. I'm saying some people, and I can point at them.
Who are they? Chairman?
I am not mentioning them on air. That is between me and my chiefs. I will not talk about this on air. Please, I beg you to spare me that one. I will not talk about this on air. That is between me and my people. But Asema Ekono, Asema because it has gone viral.
Chairman,
and a lot of people are talking about us.
Chairman, have you pointed out these people to the police or to the traditional rulers? Chairman,
we have them on video. We have them in picture, still pictures, and the police themselves were there at the final one. The police themselves were there.
Report
Why? You see, my problem is if police can act on some social media reports, and something that the people went against the law of Ghana and they cannot act. I'm sorry. Where are we going in Ghana? Where then are we going in Ghana? The army was there. It was the army and the police that came to save the situation. And yes, make us say, move to nipa bibri either omu ana omo prepare our hospital. So the army and the police now omu save the situation. I am telling you this on authority because I was there. I addressed the media on the issue. I read it to the media there. Why? Because of one person.
Same way. I need your honest answer. Hohoi constituency, and himself voter region, a stronghold for the NDC. Is it that the NDC in Hohoi is finding it hard to come to terms with the fact that for the first time, NPP has taken the seat? Chairman?
No, not at all. I am telling you, if John Bidamau and the NPP had actually played to the rules of election, I am telling you, the best he would have gotten was what Nanado got. He got, is it 13,000 or 14,000? John Mahama got 30,000 over. If John Pitamawu had played to the rules, John Pitamawu would have gotten the 14,000. And I had granted interview before, say, John Mahama, me man of 14,000.
But Chairman, we shouldn't also forget the fact, say, I'm on for two skirt and blouse. And also, you know.
I agree. Anything I make control say, if John Pitamawu had played to the rule, because me can't tell say, look, election, I wrote, signed to the EC, raising objection against officers selected said they should be refused to the election because they are known MPP supporters or sympathizers. I gave proofs of social platform MPP platform and gave other proofs of their writings and pictures and things. But ask me if EC took them out. EC never took them out. Number two, on the day of the elections, people who were the ballot issuers, parliamentary ballot issuers, were all some of these guys that I asked for them to be taken out. Ballot paper or Munjaya, normal country was vote for John Pitamawu. When we got wind of that, I drove to EC district office, took him with my parliamentary candidate. Call some of the polling stations. Only for us to realize the fact. So what he suggested we do was that to say a polling agents enter between the ballot issuers. At that time it was too late. Look, you see, we don't want to do a lot. We could have brought all these things, and this thing would have been something, but there's no need. Say one kasa 1 2 dying. I conform with them. No, you are there. You can't blame the police for opening your door. The police
okay, Chairman, now you are accepting the blame. And I mean, this media, Chairman, media, now you have accepted the blame. Someone might be a man homeworks be a man homework.
And you say homework. Look, let me say the truth and openly to you. The reason why me yes are losing is if you have a bad EC, if you have a bad EC who are determined to do something to play the game against two teams that are playing football, to play the game against one team, this is what will happen. EC is the person that opened the door. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, Chairman. So you don't agree, sir? You were not vigilant on the day of election.
If we were not vigilant, we wouldn't have written to EC. We would have driven to the EC's office. We would have done all that. That is what I want you to understand, and I want the whole world to understand. Say you're vigilant. We would have written to the EC. We would have driven to the EC's office because we were vigilant. If we had kept quiet and let things go the way they have to go, other things that we try to draw the EC's attention to, all that we were told is that this is an order from the commissioners. There's nothing they can do. We can't change it. We can't do anything. Which game do we play like that? Which game do we play like that? So you are going into the game and you know that you are going to be cheated. So even if you go into the game with anything, you know that you are 50% in the course of losing. But I'm telling you, sir, if John Peter Mau and his team had played the game accordingly, look, Uba send people to Hohoe today to go and check every house in Hohoe and every door was giving money the day before. Even on the day, there were people standing in the queue.
Money from who to who?
From Amau. From Amau's camp. From Peter Amau's camp. They gave cloths to people. Omoma ntuma. The question may be say, where is that money coming from? How did the Hohoe MPP got that money? That's the question I'm asking. How did they get that money? Ntuma, Ediane, Sika. They should come and deny that I am saying it, and I'll give them pictures.
Okay.
Videos.
But Chairman, let me find out this one. Per the Supreme Court ruling, no, Saul, under OT and under voter region.
Okay. Let me, for the sake of our listeners, let me educate everybody now. One said there was a case which one of our youth organizers took to court, which is called Jache versus the NDC. In that ruling, Supreme Court came out and said, per the creation of OT region, the star has fallen in the OT from the voter region, which was under Hohoe district to OT. So there's nothing can be done about that. But the EC has to do an amendment to CI 95.
Yes.
To conform with the CI 112. EC Anye. They brought something to court there, amendment B128. We only laughed. When our lawyer, Councillor Chachu Chikata, shut it down, nothing was said about it. So I will not talk about it now. That is a court issue. But if even if they had done that amendment, Supreme Court said the effect of that amendment will only take effect after the dissolution of the current parliament. So what is the meaning of that one? If it will take effect after the dissolution of the current parliament, which is the 7th parliament, that tells you that they will still vote in their mother constituency to break the jinx or to break the camel's back. Dana, Mr. Tete, the commissioner of EC, or can say the people of SAR will vote in their mother constituency,
which is
Hohoe, which was Hohoe, or which is Hohoe. Now, on the 6th of December, the eve of the elections, and Amoba said the people of SAR will not vote at all in parliamentary election. So So they did not vote in Jessica. If you've taken them to Jessica, and Jessica was their mother constituency, why didn't they vote in Jessica? They belong to Hawaii, which is their mother constituency. Why didn't they vote in Hawaii? So they did not vote at all. Today, as I talk to you, hypocritically and shamefully, MPP Akokot said they did not allow them to vote. So they are taking Kofi Adams, who is the winner of Boem, to court for court to injunct him. When did SAL belong to Jessica or Boem constituency? Unfortunately, these same people held a press conference. These same people held a press conference in Hawaii that they were not going to vote in the parliamentary elections. I am trying to get the names of the people and their pictures on the I'm saying this for them to get it and start looking for the pictures. Mm-hmm. To make this thing, to look for those pictures and then give to our lawyers in court that they held a press conference and said they were not going to vote at all. Those MPP people who have gone to court today, they were going to hold a press conference in Sandro Kofi. When they were chased to Sandro Kofi to understand their press conference, Sandro Kofi and they did the press release. So if you same people said you are not going to vote, and some people are fighting and are in court, Lolobi and Atafu are in court that they did not even petition some person court, so they still want to belong to voter region and Hawaii. If some people are saying against that they want to be in Hawaii and vote in Hawaii, and you people did a press conference that you are okay, you want to vote today, you the MP people, because of your selfish interest in Hawaii. Today, you go to court and say you have been denied voting. You the same people.
Well, Chema Mansa, mamena wase na EFNCA.
Medasi, nyamisha.
Medasi pa. Adom 106.3 FM and wasuguswa wutie Chairman Bright George Annie Bansa, constituency chairman for the Hohoi constituency, and meneno atwetwen and Komono Adom 106.3 FM. A few of your comments. Fatima Ansa, I'll say Ghana is sick. May Almighty God have mercy on us all. Nidia ode eba no. Kumate Doris, I say CJ, don't be biased with your interview with the chairman. The truth is there, but you are not saying it. You people should know that judgment awaits us all. I see. Interesting. Ras, away there. Wo say name there. Kwaku me hwa there mame. Ras say name no. E say bia betimi agba mame a. Ade anchin timbacho kind utri mansa. Ansa say obeba wait there. Why adwa adwa de no adwa be din mame ras din no ne soso no den ya
my family space now, man.
Who space in here? Regina. Raz, I say, what is this chairman saying?
I know I'm only saying no. Me only a boy.
Debbie, NTORHWE. Nte o we
nto se nte o nto ena die bi ne ka ho
we
we na debi nye
on
what one ye Ntori.
Ras Ntori. Let's say Onyashi Nto. Moya bad pa. Moye bad pa. Adwa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Adom.
Nse ne woni adwa mo kala no nke yase o.
Oh, kwaku so ne kala.
Nda de we kala hu.
Mo kala nke yase. Oh, no kwena make na hu. Ya mo ntwa picture. Nke yase pa.
Bicha.
Ya mo nyimfonyi. Mo nyimfonyi fanto na. Eja. Ya ye dia kansem.
Dachi me ye ana odana kai.
O dachi we dia.
Me ye.
Udi sofwa. Ana unya ministry opposition. Nyame frɛ wa. Onso be shankom.
Dem me the politics ye mempe.
Onso be shankom.
Okay. Na yimu nyina hye bi na me na minti be hye. Yimu. Yimu nyina hye bi.
Ubenya asem na ko tapo.
Se me mo obi ani.
Unsura budin.
Yimu nyina hye bi na me na minti be hye.
Unsura.
Na sa nkrofo mi wani chen bi mo.
Budin.
Adwa mo mu wani. But when in baby akonya free na free ansa na mbe nhwetwe mu.
Me wani.
Ba woni say na sen kom hye den kra.
Oh, se utibi calculate ya.
CJ wo metimi a hye ho kom sisi a.
Prediction enya kom hye o.
CJ.
Me too.
Me hye ho kom se. Ti dia make ani o.
Ko.
Asam na make no. Ti enie.
Ko.
Me hye ho kom se.
Ko.
Se odidi no anto wo boa.
Ko.
Ti o. Se odidi no anto wo boa.
Ko.
Enkwan betwu.
Ahwa me hwe no.
What did me chona say?
Eno anu aka no.
Eti no, enkom hye ne se die tie bia no, enkwan betwu, ana fufuo betram.
Ti na wo di anu waji nsu asi nchen.
What you say?
We enkom hye.
Enkom hye. Na die hia ne se wanhwe ni ya. Ebesi.
Ti no mo se ya mompa ya.
Eti hwe ni ye na nsi.
Enti mingi adidie.
Dabi.
Ti se odidi na nsi ya na se wahwe ni ye.
Na se hwe ni ye. Eti se ya mompa ya. Se ya mompa ya.
Fu am ba bedie. Miami am kontomo am bi twa so. Se ye bo ho mpa ya ansa na.
Wo so obi a twa kontomo am ka se hye ma lo.
Eno ne asem na America ne tenie wu. Se ya mompa ya.
Ti se wo didi no wanhwe ya.
What you say? Se ya mompa ya enso to a ebeyiri. Enso be fa manfo.
Da bia nsusu to ayiri.
Se ya mompa ya. Eti no se enso to na ayiri a. Se mpa ebo na ye adwuma.
Kwaku ade enchin.
Se na kwan ye de se other side of the coin.
Ana we
ade
ta frabia.
Ana ya wo butu mo.
Ewe butu da ye.
Ade enchin no nkom hye no.
Ko se.
Me se ba ho kan wa.
Yeah, Mr.
Oh,
Mr.
we dey ye.
Odi mame. Mr. Ba kupe ya.
Fufu mu nya ni ye.
Oh, come send the evasion.
Is it come send the head ya ba ku bisi. What you say?
Uva monkata.
Ba ku bisi. Se kwado ni ma dia betu. Afede kwa na we no masa ye year in review. Nkom sha asofo asomasi share ye ade ba mu. Ya no muro fi se de amam so ho. Se no man se ye bompa ya, ye bompa na nya.
E bia bompa ye no. Last 3 years na sofo bi be ka se sofo bi awia ne nkom hye. E da ne ntokwa gidigidi o.
Awia ne nkom hye.
Waso ano ne nkom hye. Ah, no 31st no. Se na ba gan me ba ko no. Wono asoma ne nkrofo amoma ba ho na sorry.
Betete ho tie nkom hye no.
Eti nkom hye no no hye nkom no. Na obi so record ya no WhatsApp here. You are answer come she corner su baby. No say come she we dey me na nyame de ma me akwa na wi.
And then one fan say nyame kasa kire omu enu nyina at the same time.
Debi nyame ankasa njo omu nyina o kasa kire nipa ba ko. Na kwa nipa ne say we awia ne nkom she. And I'm saying you awia wa ko police station and akọ court. Say no ane no bi ba okro no anye police station na akọ.
Enfan kom hye no nto ba bi na. Kata na gu ho no.
Grata. Say na na do ya say ho so mo share.
Enra State of the Nation address. I mean, quite surprisingly,
31 minutes.
Very short. Very short.
Bibia 31.
Very short.
Ni apesa tibia na ote ye no.
Oh, na say Enra. Enra obusa asempa asembi.
Thank you.
Ma asempa ka.
Enra me say we are me tifia na msa na pa
sama. Mesi wa mrampo. Asempa ka say. Segana man pay na dan kwakufu ado.
It was on the issue of corruption, right?
To me be gina ho be kasa fa corruption ho a. Was organized those who oni akokoduru a what be ka corruption. He didn't even touch it. And I'm saying no cry ya hwew.
On say we ne ntintia.
But I was uncle boss.
To a bibia Timothy and Framan.
He had all the time.
Na
you didn't see about Casa not 12 Kanaka, they are 2 months. Sanka news to cry.
So be Ampamono. Wama munyina ona ne dia you know be kan eja
by this time go suka sakran ko bia
no na ubetumi akose masa meju microphone ubetumi akodum no what I say na me the man tia na ha me creative arts
yes because I know a line up here na ka ho
because
but the year of return any covid eboom into year of return na a year to say like a prelude. And in the D COVID name, the year of return, a Adom 400 years slavery. Ye moon, then, or more freeman on or mobile, or first ade, and a COVID, it be room. Wow, it's no, and shut down, you say, be a year, come one sem say, it be a win or man for anyone, now win ya, now win ya. A honor kakrana mountain and Nehame. As a year of return, it was more like tourism. Than a tourism and creative arts. Enemy no yeah. But they are not normally no or more creative arts space no complain. It's as attention in tourism because tourism is structured already. It's structured already. Whole Jumaya and said that anything the idea be a woman how to improve your tourist sites no said your bear will be and as road networks you know accessibility and all bit me I want to honor na man for a problem but structured no crasto
a
tourist attraction center
ono will be no ono anka will be ho
kakum say Nanano Mbabe complain, and a boabin fema
monkey or
and also a mobile complain. Your stories, but now so brand sound with me drew the destination.
A year Ben Pona, Yabako Easter, Nanamo, baby, I call paragliding in. Yes, almost, yeah. But a honor could do so, could do so, my money, a coil, a Easter by Nim dears, or my yarn, so many I mean,
but on the most serious, no year of return, or when are they organizing another?
Say,
Yawo Momano,
there be said year of return,
I informer
by a man on by
year of return, no, after that, beyond the return by it's beyond the return, no more launchy and a COVID. Eba no it's nene nkwara no montwen kakra
ko mo maka kure mo ntimi nya moye so sa mo maji obo ma
na gese shepo
adwa obi de wo ho
o say
obi oba your fraternity be ne ba wo ho
o so nim say me pay local dudes I don't do foreign
na say on people track
ko ye di no nkasa o so pay local dey
bisa no
afternoon
me dem ameri
ejuma menyaya sama
pass my dem dada Debbie asumade ni che
nkawa me be
no apa nkapo akase akoyi go ya himfie ko
also pay local dudes
local dudes
enti ensumade na say o de brewa na ono na ehye
yes o mo ba no mo sha asa ha nyina eni nkapo no mo nsa no so mo sin
afna ye dwe
I do local dudes
sa no
bia sanzu de too local
oh the producer and also too local
as I do too local as I do
ma ko frasa na beto asem remind ni party ground
ono etimi bad beto so I be kura ma so me was go pie bibia to
on na time ne dia what one e money show ekufu ano
timi enko nya hwe o de be fasa
we
me upon yes is
go via san o can papers no him
oh yeah for daily guide no
o de ma I not sure about that.
They find that the Obokrata and Mikita Waha
said you could fear as heroes. And you're proud. And you're sorry for your
first sponsor. They find that the Obokrata and Mikita Ewaha. Na Mubakaya, it's our question where you may be maybe a once and I'm deba. Kumi, Ebia Dobet Mabuame. South Africa Continental Free Trade Area, Brosa and Sifine.
Minim free trade
Africa Continental Free Trade.
Oh, mama sisia.
Omo ye nim so omo ba bie ho ayi bi wo nkran.
Kofi asa no be o. Free
trade for Abrosan.
So they help pay free. The free trade.
Enti Ghana man panyini e de atodwa ya wo kire se eno beboa pa ama efidi djuma ene adwuma ho nsem abuso ewo man mu nye sese bi ote me da se abra na o ma ne kora so tena se hunu se beboa eno nti na woje pene a Ghana ye de ho akowura menam so kora mane no yetumi anya na tena ye ewo o man Ghana mu ha sei sanso na enra State of the Nation address yi Ghana man panyini sema hudo bi odi tu dwa abobo so afiri enra enra se kase ebo nyina na akoye so na no ani anopenso ye nkomo aye in fact efiri enra no pakra nti emu nsem wose the first time no ede man wo no wo betimi de nsesi ni bo no akase wa ye adwuma kanka kuaye mu nsem mu enra se homani je pa on se aduane de emisi emepe aduane ba na wo se tumadi fu wo hu se banche no ebu bode wo ho ntosi wo ho na no a Greek minister class trebia body dro no timi nya no be for cd wo hu minim dwakoro de bo sibu akodwomu atimi nya bi 4-5 minim dwakoro bro nya nsu meme mpotem wo ne ete ne betem 2 cd wanya de aye body ha wan ye be ma betem 1 cd eti na emu nsem ewo
na bro nya manko tontos and tosi ba ko msin tosi ba ko 1 cd ena akekedru ba ko 1 cd
ono anya price
akekedru ba ko 1 cd
garlic nyina na nyabo
na
wo hu sa akokọ bo ko osuru
meme de manta akokọ
meme mpotem ho me naturally I do chicken yes like 90%. Na me bo ameton wo na no me ko ya yem say last week me ko am kotobia wo bo na me say ade we ntakra nko ana say we no to gold kosua wo sese burenya
ya bibia ebia nuane na edemo mudi na different
and I'm sabi am betobi last week you say ana ma kasa
yet kroma na amanfo to gari soakings 1.5
emmom
tia no so
and I'm say bro for me your friend is saying no
cassava
flakes so say cassava
oh Kofi Asan
na no nya cheke
there be na ton amanfo hotel he
cassava de
Tigo
cassava shavings
cassava shavings
Cassava shavings
so kids na go in biscuit no
cassava shavings and peanut tokums
ene nkati ya chene peanut tokums and cassava shavings
so cassava shavings and peanut
tokums I don't need soakings then nkati ya chene ya group soakings
cassava shavings
okay
and then you be hunu krum hani
na so ho nwanwa wakọ ba fufu ho ba banku ho emo ho ubedidi azme
ebi so hu onim se bi a cheke ai bia ya Ghana sheda na se bi ba cheke
ebeti bitiu na no mo ba bia me ko yi se a omo se rice with beef timi me ka se ye beef ye bi na ja
nam na ye twa to
e ba ya na ntwina flat bi na de kanta ato so na adrodro so e no ni beef no se na ntwinam
se na mo de tum no mo de atoto
e na mi so kra me
na ho na akopena mo abe
ya fe aduane me obi a aduane ho kapa ne na manum sa nam sorry
wa kodu fufu se
manum me ho se
fufu etra 25 sorry a wabne wa hu mo se mo pere mo nya hu hwe etie mo se mo wasanso na onse enra na edi nkomo se MPP amanyoku no ise kwa mo se menka no okay so mo ya minority until midnight you be dissolving it
until hamachin
and e be the 8th parliament the be shall say adwuma dom kase o mra se bedwafie no onso o bobo mpanimfo bi din o mu speaker ne o mo chief whip ne entie mu nsem no ebi e wo ha se kwata fa ye to so numu no bo wura ha be hu na ahwanyo ma kense ono se ni mfonyi da ha bi o se che menza se o mu so mu maintain no
sompa hene o sompa hene o ye MP
okay
swame se me kronom na metenti no swame e wona na me to aba kronom ba ye swame ase
okay
to MP
okay and Professor Aaron Michael Quay also so mo maintaining as the Speaker of Parliament Penyo Markins so e de apiem wa say okay
omo maintaining as then
why
idea no idea
Professor Michael so he speaker
the bill can they said you can on and person repeat
omo maintaining as the speaker of parliament
hey brother the speaker of parliament hey brother
friend asama
say be do ma chia me hene
ana brofo no kan say
CJ
kwaku
yanko school pa yanko eni mu dem eni
pa je go school okukuo bo it was at national mass and one crazy me bi da because me school ye ma bi da kukuo Magrek senior high school kukuo no be ko kukuo go so
sa kwa no
she do you know titi
kukuo brofo mbuni
and I the kwakra no say swearing in inti post for day and some betu jo mo kire say quantum pon bi won kra ha ombesi no
yes
before God the man omusi omusi no MTT department in the aba Superintendent Dr. Sambo Sasu Mensa on the Director of Operations at the MTTD na wo mo se ekwan bi te se osu cemetery traffic light wo de no wo mbesi no local street and afa Castle Road a free AU circle eko osu cemetery traffic light wo no so no wo mbesi no Cross Road ya eko Starlet 95 Street ni so obesi no Independence Arc ya be on Hene Giant Sports Stadium kwan na da hore no so wo mu si no Gamel Abdul Nasser Avenue Road GIG hono eno so wo mu si no Hail Selassie Street eno opa bia 37 military interchange ha
na sen kran nyina yesi no
enti wo mu sisi sa kwan no enti se wo kwan beda ho free wo chena se swearing ni yo chena
na se wo hu bebia do
omo
besi no mu nsi ne wo chena wo besi na
na dwi enti ro kona akopem barrier na se wada ne wo
asan wachi
ya hu trotro drivers na no adu mo chi omo ne ni kona
omo change security for no okrum pa about 6,000 of them
6,000 omo ndizo omo gusu agina mo
o se enra ayi hu se na helicopter bi ene nem wium ni ade a enra helicopter be tre hu green out so we e mema made we be ma pa omo bo so what tire no ato we so na ni soro ya o form ya o to tire kura bit me abon
no otubi kura kurisi
don't worry we be ma to tire mama fa daily guide fanto aso na daily guide
kwaku ba ku bia betwam ahanom a ekoma adwoa na abrantie de wo pese wo hunu no obehunu
abdada na we foforo
ba di pakro no a wa kan literature no kon ho a wa yi was CJ please tell my friend at your studio that I really like her dress and it's the same person okay dino David Techimenson
Techimenson
ni sikasua no ana hamedo
atade ne so de nkenye bad we friend as we hema wem
they we friend Jija ho
sa
Jija ho
ko fisi ewie me
oso yemie transe oso bebe fo pati man panyine se wadaga na fo nyina ase say eduru abato ho na nipa ai kopre nyina moto abade ma no yi ne se wono ena wonsa mema mpanyine no nto ade dwumadi so wose Ghana fo amane mandate ne se wohwe wo man wo mu wo man man koyie na sa pepepe no wo beye no na Supreme Court kwasetena omokwasetena Peter Mewu enjanhia ho high court yede to ne so no Supreme Court agbatu ogu etiene de obokrata daily guide ensem bi ka we hu a wode aba monten akosu so cartoon no wode aba kama won saka de obokrata ni bia neja wakenkan di wo mu
Ghanaian Times the obokrata so ha the big one here when mu was we will face economy okay said the COVID-19 won some by ya on say Ghana man penyin se ma no ka do na no say na nka mamu oni koyie na covid bebo mu hento say Ghana for sade mfie na aka ne ho ide wo hyebo say wo mo be minor gina ne na so sika be ba ye botom ene ye to ade ane ye dwene ye jinsi
enemra na ye ho papa
wo say time ka moto ade akora anye nsesa
e Ghana
sika be ba nti to ade a wo nye nsesa enti wo say baby covid-19 abubu o minor kodu bia ye kora ye na mu ade yo Ghana and then more day papa because one way one fidie why I sabi our doctor for kukudam kwara said almost a gu Ghana that's what you naso to say break a cray wo bebo no ho modern say Ghana economy ni betumi asa fa into mapa for Samson Adom Kumano one reaction state of the nation address here by no one so aka so kai no say nkomo because so ho na ede once I na Dwaso sore what can say voice na
ewa hawa
ho akofi wa o meyi mame
how na Dwaso sore do say ya dey techi man south to city no e ka wo mo de ho a mo benya majority parliament on say e na mo from am so mo so yi o mo mpanimfo wo mo bo mo speaker bo mo majority leader
abambagben
ejo ka bia na yi so sore ye e woni menyamfo se eche mensa bonsu majority leader
no se mempre ho
na mo na mo ka say hanged parliament no there is nothing like a hanged parliament they still have majority and minority.
Yo.
In the NDC for the SNA wa pi 137 no. Sa hang parliament is no munya ka.
Say it pi ba ko no sa ba ko pe.
No say 137. Na you independent ba ko gina finfin.
Nti ba ko no.
Na independent no so wa declare.
Just that officially or na no aka. Maybe also to krata. E de baby krata de enya maye. Enti neja no mu nsem what Ghanaian Times do but krata dem one reaction sanso and the big one motorway tema motorway hono on say more reservations bia ya hudo bi a enke atwa to no manka yemfa nye ene obehwe nkrofo osi adan nkrofo say temporary structure bi kra do be si
say the motorway enyo ekwan no enye kioso
slums e free baby utuye twa okwana utwa tonu wie pe onsani faso ho esam ho saa
say omufu say no man's land nto ya no akobo bi asi ho
and man for so create illegal U10
yeah
U10 kwani finfi ho
na kania no so trepe
no obia buasim
amanfo bus stop nyina won chen
kania no so trepe na so
ba kona amanfo twam motorway amanfo twam motorway mu fo mu twam akofro ka
kania no so trepe na so na no ye kwa yi aye ba kwani so nyina tum
motorway as light asem na abeke oh kai ya ko ntokwa afede ya bre empanyi una Ghana kranzu yesu subanye na se empanyi for your madwene se omo kwa fixe a omo de cable kwa hyehyɛ fom na amafa ko tutu cables no wo amafa ko tutu cables no etu na nso a tum te se within it trim na na musa ena amena bi a eda otra bridge na amena bi da ho
no de wudi agora
ena ho nso yesum ntu pie so prekopɛ
upompo be bombi kwa kasa wo swerve a
ena marking bi anso ni so
oh de bi o motorway ni
so
se motorway nde bi ya upgrading nti marking se enwie ya upgrading bi ni ya marking
etwa na asemasi na panyini bi ahwere ne nkwa bosi edem kane akwa
mame nkwa homa no so na mene lawyer Kwabena Asare atua ono na waye lawyer ogina mu edema the menkano the member of parliament elect for Techiman South Ura Martin J Mensa Kosa mene no entwetwe enkomo lawyer official pa
apon comment
I wonder what here. Well, as a lawyer for Ura Kosa, how do you feel after Enra court ruling? No?
Oh, you feel relieved.
You feel relieved?
Yes.
Okay, but Treyemukakra, your understanding of the ruling as per in someone NDC the quarter in court, lawyer.
As already knew ruling on injunction, say Martin J Mensa Kosa. My Sweni in my is so producing as the person who won the teaching myself and I am a clerk of parliament so and recognizing as member of parliament and the vote and counted. It court NDC for lawyer no also that we ultimately fatabo and to Martin James Akosa because Martin James Akosa no the 22nd of December. Now, Argentina or Matransia last minute, and Omodetabo Eba. And the people of Techiman South, they deserve to have a member of parliament. Nti on deny Techima himself a member of parliament. Na NDC asɛm no bɛdan court no. So obobo mu wie na sɛ ɛba ne sɛ Martin James Akosa the winning year na NDC candidate the winning year ɔbɛkyɛ n'adwene ho. Nti for now the only for tabua into Martin James Akosa so. Nti ɔmo petition ɔmo de aba no ɔmo hwɛ na ɔmo mma court no nka na ɔmo kɔ sɛre Martin James Akosa. Ɛna nyanchi no so ɔmo ne kɔɛ no ɔmo amaye notice ɔmo kɔ S party ne kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo nipa na ɔsama yɛ Martin James Akosa ɛna electoral commission ɛna clerk of parliament ɔmo nsama yɛ no ɔmo amaye notice sɛ yɛn so yɛn bɛyi ano na ɔmo kɔ on our blind side but yɛnya yɛkye ho asɛm nti yɛkɔ court hɔ na nka yɛkɔsrɛ court no sɛ ɔmo yɛ fine na nka ɛnɛ yɛnkɔyi ɛnɛ yɛyi ano na ɛnɛ yɛmmra court but court ampene court no gyina so hwɛ sɛ the lawyer no ɛmove ne application no ɛmove yɛ no ɔdismiss yɛ nti na ɛne gyi sɛm paa ɛma yɛ nwura.
Okay, so now then it means that Ochina na me aduma ora James Akosa betimi aso ani in or how be emba ho. That's it.
Yes, really. How be any
okay, and so then after swearing in no then be on a base court.
For now no dear. Omuntu means Martin James Akosa of the petition on my file no.
Okay.
Yes, into a train omo 7 years we meet them in court. So mom 7 years so they are yɛtin baby nti yɛdi MP nti it will depend on them. You see we held the opinion say last minute action on the buy it was brought in bad faith with serious ulterior motives say or channel parliament no ombetiminya kwan nanka omo elect leadership near they are not really interested in say omo MP no mo win here. No, yesterday they just wanted to achieve a certain agenda in an engagement. Nti ye say ampampa no omo de copy the brain petition copy the brain and a court no so say omo ntie sika into court na yen kan asem no and so ye so omo tia so many there and the assembly in the
I see. Lawyer, yes, swear me in as a member of parliament elect. Not minimum say a seminal a court client or a cosa at saying how is he taking all this?
Oh, for now he's happy and he's excited because in teaching myself a bit deeper I'm shooting incident, and the NDC MPs working to easy to present a petition. And also so yeah, so yesterday he was very, very happy. Said for at least for now, the court has ruled that he is the elected member for teaching myself. He is the gazetted elected member for teaching myself. So he should be sworn in as such. If the NDC candidate thinks he has evidence to the contrary, on Famra, and it's not the petition, Nabano, it's on man in India, no funny evidence, and yet, did a protest. They said there are some number down courts. Inchi, Onya could go, no go 7 Martin James Akosa, Uncle Chesi canon to court. Na yango court, Yanko Bobo Asema, na Nukona Mbedi, because he has been portrayed as stealing the verdicts of the people of Techima South. Say stolen verdict. We need honor the extraction and a facet, and now he was very happy. He was relieved. At least the people of Techima South have at least know that they are going to have a member of parliament for now. Say any or against we win here. It's already in court. The processes will continue.
But lawyer, I'm not saying friends here. That's a lawyer Kwabena Asare. Is a member of the legal team. Wamo Kupi Muma Ura Martin James Akosa, the member of parliament elect for Techiman South. ɛna mene no atwetwe nkɔmmɔ no. Well, Israel savings and loans we new year good news pa ɛna mede ɛma wo free Israel savings and loans. Just say we are Benjamin ani a wɔn ɛwɔ massive interest rate reduction on loans. Bisi aba bɛbɔ ɛwɔ biara no interest rate ɛwɔ ho no just say ɛyade ɛda fam bɔkɔɔ enti bɔmɔden na apply sisi a in 45 minutes. Na afei yaya ho tutu nyina na osika onsa atumi aka. You can get up to 100,000 Ghana cedis. 100,000 Ghana cedis. We are Benjamin ani a enti tutumeka na woni Israel savings and loans enkonko hwimbom na yedi bronya wie na yura from say aya na pressure wo ho na won so pesika na fatwitwa wo ho sa asase no apese okoto edan no apese wusie no ye boaw amwatimi etusa na mo ni nyina kama enti woni Israel savings and loans entwetwe nkomo numbers no AME no fa pen ne paper na trend sisi a 0501 605 773 0501 605 773 and 0244 914 171 0244 914171 ana ubowura branch bia ebenwa wambesho kama hyehyɛ kakra ho Israel fast and reliable. Well, emrante no e krado Adom Sports page 1 wama de beba but answer na no